Hey, plumbing business owners, today I want to share with you another client case study where we help Bill from Roto-Rooter of Chattanooga, Tennessee show up in top 3 Google map rankings and literally thousands of organic keyword rankings on Google to get daily call volume. First, I want to say that guys, literally every person I talk to has dealt with a lot of digital marketing agencies and been messed around over and over again. It's what I hear every day. And when you have somebody telling you a bill of goods and telling you things about SEO, but it doesn't actually happen, Google doesn't see it. You're a digital brand. They need to see digital branded signaling, and all the components of the brand need to be tightened up and be the best quality so that you provide a good user experience. First off, I'll tell you, we did a lot more service pages as well as city pages for Bill so that they knew every service he provided. He wants to show up for things like front yard line leaks. He wanted to show up for tankless water heaters. He didn't have pages for these things. So we added content for a lot of stuff that wasn't there before, and it allows it to show up in search rankings and map rankings. And so when that gets done, he began to show up higher. Now he's been with us a few years, and I'm real proud of these results, so I want to share them with you. In 2024 so far, almost 7,000 website visits, up 89% over the year before. He's had 440 Google Business Profile, that's your map, interactions in September, literally up 79% from July. A lot of this is some recent stuff and some expansion that we did on data pens. I'll tell you in just a minute. Also, 1,000 keywords in the Google Search Console. It cuts off at 1,000, so he's got thousands of them. Google Search Console cuts off at 1,000 tracked keywords in ranking, and that's the stuff underneath the maps. But guys, it's a ton if you have this. Most people have 20 keywords, or if you ever hear somebody say, pick 20, you don't want to pick 20, you want thousands of them. So with data pens, it expands this, and it literally helps make the phone ring daily and helps those map rankings and keyword rankings. The Google AI overview rankings and mentions. You're seeing this above keywords now. The AI search, because this is such a great website, the Google AI is showing it where rich snippets used to be above top 10 rankings. Like he's the answer on AI on search. It's awesome stuff. It's brand new. Bill gets a ton of it. Dozens of Pack 3 map rankings, so top 3 map rankings in Chattanooga, Tennessee, literally dozens of them in Pack 3. He shows up over and over again. There's been a 202% traffic increase projection on SEMrush. You can check that yourself on SEM or SEMrush. And Bill has done almost 7,000 data pens. Guys, data pens is proprietary software Plumbing Webmasters has. We developed it over 6 years ago. It is the best digital branded signaling. It's the glue that pulls everything together. It just can't be beat. It's awesome to have it. When you have something like our essential SEO website, everything pulled together and all the daily activities we do, and you combine it with data pens, it makes you show up in rankings. Guys, imagine if this was you. Imagine if you were up in ranking. What's the difference between you and Bill? Bill called us. He focuses on marketing. He knows about it. And he's been working on it for years, and he met up with us, and now he dominates this area more than he ever did before. We'd love to do the same thing with you. Guys, click the link below, and let's get the conversation started.